The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle, behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Push in on both sides of the glove box to release the stops. Remove the dampener cord from the glove box. Using a T20 TourX head, remove the screws. Unclip both sides of the housing cover to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the housing cover. Reinstall the screws. The easiest way to reinstall the glove box is to reinstall the dampener cord first. From there, you can then get the stoppers behind the frame and the hinges clicked into their catch. Hook the dampener arm back onto the glove box. Partially close the glove box to re-engage the stops. Close the glove box.
For the best price, visit undercarexperts.com and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.